Alright, I got it plugged in. Here it is plugged in. See if I can power it on here. Alright, so there it is powered on. I know it's not that good right now because I still got it wrapped up. We get it mounted in the window and put up, but there it is. It's recording. Ready to go. It's got a 4 gig SD card in it. I'm gonna bump that up probably to 64 gig, but I'm gonna use it this week, see how it works, keep you guys posted. But that's the unboxing and starting up of the camera. I'll go through the settings and we'll go over all that in the next video. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.